welcome. This is an evening tapping session to help you slow down, let go of the day, and ease into a more relaxed evening. You can use this after work, after a busy day, or any time you're ready to transition into a slower part of your evening. We'll start by taking a slow breath in through our nose. And as you exhale, start tapping on the side of your hand. The day is winding down, and I'm giving myself permission to slow down. I'm giving myself permission to enjoy this part of my day. Eyebrow point. I can start letting go of everything from today. Side of the eye. I don't need to carry everything from the day into my evening. Under the eye. Anything that didn't get done can wait. Under the nose. Right now, I'm making a little time for myself. Under the mouth. I'm letting go of the day little by little. Collarbone. I don't need to rush into the next thing. Under the arm. I'm allowing my body and mind to start slowing down. Top of the head. The day is winding down, and I'm ready to leave it behind. Take a slow breath in. And as you exhale, move back to the eyebrow point. I can slow down and be present right here. Side of the eye. There's nowhere else I need to be in this moment. Under the eye. I'm allowing myself to feel a little lighter. Under the nose. I can move through the rest of my evening without rushing. Under the mouth. I'm choosing a little more calm and ease. Collarbone. I'm making this time for myself. Under the arm. I can enjoy the simple moments that are still ahead of me today. Top of the head. I'm letting go of the day and settling into a peaceful evening. Now you can stop tapping and take one more deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let your shoulders relax, let your body slow down, and take this feeling with you into the rest of your evening. You can stay here for the next few minutes, relax, breathe, and just enjoy the music. There's nothing else you need to do right now. Just give yourself this time.